In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Loom logo branding from videos 2026, step by step. If you've noticed a small Loom logo appearing on your recordings, that's tied to your account plan. The good news is you can remove that branding completely by adjusting a single setting in your account and then creating a fresh version of your video. Start by heading to the Loom login page and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. That icon opens your personal account menu. Click it, then open Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Plan and Billing. This is where Loom shows your current plan and upgrade options. To remove the Loom logo from your videos, upgrade your account to either the Business Plan or the Business Plus AI plan. Both of these tiers remove Loom's branding from your content. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the upgrade and complete checkout. If you're part of a team workspace and you don't see billing options, it likely means only the workspace owner or admin can make plan changes, so you may need to ask them to handle the upgrade for your account. Once your plan is upgraded, the branding removal happens automatically, but it applies to new recordings and to videos you recreate or re-export. That means you have two practical options. You can re-record the video if that's quick and easy for you. Or, if you already have the perfect take, simply re-export the existing video so Loom generates a new, clean version without the logo. Re-exporting is essentially creating a fresh output from the same recording under your upgraded plan, so you don't have to redo your script or screen actions. After you've re-recorded or re-exported, play the video and check the corners to confirm there's no Loom logo. If you still see any branding, make sure the export fully finished and that you're looking at the newly generated version. A quick refresh of the page or clearing your browser cache can help you see the latest file. Also, keep in mind that any older copies you downloaded before upgrading won't change retroactively. You'll need to export a new copy after the upgrade to get the clean result. And that's it. Log in, open settings.